The Congress Legislature Party meeting that was held on the 25th of August 2021 had decided on various issues that would be taken up in the August House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Briefing media persons on the same day, the CLP leader Dr. Mukul Sangma stated that his colleagues in the opposition would be taking up issues concerning security, especially in the interstate border areas, the curtailing of public needs by the present government, the frustration amongst the youth due to lack of job opportunities, the livelihood of people during the pandemic, the lack of infrastructure as far as road development, water supply and electricity is concerned.
Keeping in mind the resurgence and reemergence of various militant activities and insurgent activities across the state. Against the backdrop of palpable feeling of frustration, loss of hope and anger amongst the people, particularly the youth. Against the backdrop of lack of opportunities for any of our people from different walks of life, not just the youth, and the resultant frustration and anger associated with that. So this is one crucial issue which is confronting the people. When we talk to the people, we know how frustrated people are, angry people are about lack of opportunities having been created by the government in the last preceding 3 years. Even the opportunities which have been created have somehow been snatched away by some people. Okay, those are other things which we will dwell when we present it before the August House. That is one part. And obviously the sense of insecurity amongst our brethren who are residing along the interstate border. Because of, I must say, the failure to reinstill the sense of security amongst people by the government of the day. And the failure of the government to respond to a given situation where people are subjected to some kind of instances where they are being intruded upon by people from the neighboring state. So these are palpable instances which have been shared with us and is being seen. That's why I'm saying palpable. It's visible. It's being heard. It's circulating in the social media network. So those are issues of instant occurrences which has drawn the attention of the people.